Welcome to the carrot family tree. Ever wondered how carrots are related to other plants? Let's explore their botanical lineage. Today, we'll delve into the fascinating world of carrot classification, from their common name to their scientific kingdom. A plant family tree, or botanical classification, organizes plants based on shared evolutionary traits and genetic relationships. The carrot, scientifically known as Daucus carota, belongs to a diverse and important plant family. Our journey begins with the genus Daucus, where the cultivated carrot finds its direct relatives. Species within the Daucus genus often share similar root structures and flowering patterns, even if they're not edible carrots. The humble wild carrot, Daucus carota, is the ancestor of all cultivated carrots we enjoy today. Moving up, we find the carrot in the Apiaceae family, also known as Umbelliferae, recognized by their distinctive umbrella-shaped flower clusters. This family includes many familiar vegetables and herbs such as parsley, celery, and dill, all sharing a common ancestor. Beyond their unique flower arrangements, members of the Apiaceae family often share aromatic qualities and certain chemical compounds. Zooming out, the carrot's family tree extends to even broader classifications, revealing its place within the plant kingdom. The Apiaceae family is part of the Apiales order, which groups together various flowering plants with similar genetic makeups. Next, the carrot belongs to the Magnoliopsida class, commonly known as dicots, characterized by having two embryonic leaves. Finally, at the highest level, the carrot, like all plants, is classified under the kingdom Plantae. We've journeyed through the carrot's family tree, from genus to kingdom, uncovering its fascinating botanical connections. From its wild ancestor to its herb cousins, the carrot's lineage is rich and diverse, highlighting the interconnectedness of nature. Understanding botanical classification not only satisfies curiosity, but also aids in agricultural development, conservation, and scientific research.